2021 Jeep Wrangler. With less than 17,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. It checks off in-demand features which offer more convenience, such as satellite radio, turbocharged engine, multi-zone air conditioning, four-wheel drive, diesel fuel, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, tinted windows, running boards and/or side steps, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless start, roll bars, auto climate control. Not finding what you're looking for? Give us your feedback.